I believe the most powerful thing that we do in our building is our player introductions. We usually go complete blackout, so it kind of creates this immersive experience where all of a sudden it's pitch black. And the Absen technology seems to just be higher quality. The screens definitely can be pushed to their limit, creating that overall in-game fan experience.
I have to look at products kind of from end to end, so it's not just about price point, it's also about can this be an effective solution to deliver the vision that the client has. So picking a product like this, which is, I would say it's the main feature of this install, Absen really fit the bill. It fits the budget, it's durable, it's quality, and the manufacturer really supports it well.
The Absen boards, first off, have been durable. We've had a lot of soccer strikes on these boards since we launched, and the boards have been able to pop back in place very easily. And then affordability. Being a self-funded boutique arena, the kind of price point and feature delivery on these were amazing.
The technology that Absen has implemented here at Frontwave Arena is very unique. Being able to have that fan interaction throughout the entire venue. So whether it's a concert, whether it's a soccer game, whether it's a basketball game, being able to engage in doing fun things like kiss cams are huge for the fan engagement. The really cool part about the technology is the depth of color that it gives you. So your blacks are really a true black, your reds pop, your greens are amazing.
I remember the day that we turned on these walls for the first time and put a test image on it. Let's just say all work on the site stopped because everyone within sight turned and went, wow, those look incredible.
I utilize the boards in-game to change where we can direct fans' attention in the arena. It might be taking them to a specific bar or a food vendor that we're highlighting in that moment.
Every venue, every corporation, every business has a message that they're trying to get out. And the more that we can work with, whether it's a venue, a large business, small business, to help them get their message out, the more successful we're both going to be. And that's really at the end of the day what we're striving for, is a great partnership that everybody is happy with what takes place when the project is finished.